Good morning sa lahat ng mga nakikinig sa atin. Bagamat konti pa lang tayo, we are only about 260, no? Yung ating subscriber nasa 260 lang as of now. But I would like to express my sincerest gratitude to my followers from some from the United States, a few from India and the Middle East, who are actually my friends. And of course, yung balance from the Philippines. Thank you very much for watching and monitoring my channel. Today, as you have seen in the introduction, we are going to talk about one of the best selling cars ng Toyota lineup. In the past vlogs kasi, for the past, I think, weeks, a couple of weeks or the past 3 weeks, we talk about infrastructure and then even yung FIBA World Cup, no? Medyo nakapost tayo ng 2 vlogs about yung FIBA, about our being host and as one of the participating teams, yung Gilas natin. So, balik tayo dito sa usual na pinag-usapan natin ng mga car topics. So, we are going to talk about Yaris for today's vlogs. So, ito yung front face ng ating Yaris, ano? Trapezoidal yung kanyang design, honeycomb, very modern ang dating talaga. Yung kanyang headlight naman, parang kamukha siya nung sa Innova. Yan, medyo pointed yung yung sa dulo. And then yung kanyang fog light, kamukha nung fog light din ng Fortuner. So talagang premium looking ang ating bagong Yaris, the all new Yaris. Yan, so as we go down, makikita natin yung kaniyang gulong. Okay, bagong-bago, very modern din ang dating. At this is ito, 17 inches 17 inch ang diameter alloy wheel. So napakalaki, pinakamalaki actually in its class, no? Yung mga crossover, malaki ito kasi yung iba, like even yung Innova is only, yan, nasa 17 din yung Innova actually, 16, 17. So ito yung itsura ng ating Yaris. So ito yung kanyang side profile, no? Makikita natin yung ground clearance 212 millimeter. So ang taas, kaya pwede siya sa light off-roading. Yan. So pwede na sa city driving, pwede pa sa off-roading. Yan yung bagong Yaris natin. Ito naman yung kanyang rear, no? Very sleek ang kanyang tail light design. May black accent pa, no? So talagang astig ang dating in comparison with the other models. Okay, compare lang natin sa Toyota lineup. Compare natin sa Innova again. I think mas maganda pa tong Yaris sa tail light design. Sabagay, depende sa perspective ng tao yan, sa nakatingin. But for me, siguro mas maganda itong Yaris. Okay. So, ito yung rear ng Yaris. Maganda ang design. Maganda siya. Tapos ito yung kanyang cargo space, napakalaki. And then may ilaw siya. Yan. So hindi mahirap maka-range ng mga karga mo even at night. Okay, kasi may ilaw sa likod. May ilaw sa cargo. And then aside from that, meron siyang pangtakip. Okay? So hindi makikita yung lalo na yung mga high value items, halimbawa iiwanan mo dyan sa likod, o hindi makikita ng mga would-be thieves, no? Usong-uso kasi ngayon ng nakawan din sa pagka nakita nga medyo high value item yung nasa loob ng ating sasakyan, madaling basagin yung glass dyan sa likod. Yan. So, meron din siyang hawakan kasi manual ito. Lower trim lang kasi ito. Wala tayong makita ng higher trim dito na naka-display na powered tailgate. Ito manual, so may hawakan siya. So, even if you're not really that tall, madaling isara. Okay. Ganda talaga niya kanyang tail light. Yan. Yaris Cross. Yan. Pogi ang dating. Okay, so pasok tayo sa loob. Yan. Okay, andito na tayo sa loob. So, yung kanyang mga controls sa Windows. Okay, yung sa steering wheel, control ng mga data sa instrument clusters, sa infotainment, okay, stations, yung volume controls, so nasa lang, nasa steering wheel. Hindi mo na kailangang bitawan pa yung manibela to make adjustment. Ngayon yung infotainment monitor, display monitor, 10.1 inch yun. And then yung kanyang aircon is automatic, climate control, mono lang siya, mono zone, so hindi dual zone. Automatic drive selector mode. Okay, yung ating D mode is plus and minus putting manual. Okay, so yan, meron siyang of course the usual glove compartment, so okay naman yan. And then yan ang rear view mirror. I think for the upper trim auto dimming. Okay, so yung mga reading lights, and then ito yung kaniyang vanity mirror, may automatic switch on light pag open mo, so maganda. Even sa passenger side, ganun din, meron ding lights. Pag bukas mo, on kagad yung lights, so kitang-kita mo yung iyong muka. And then of course yan yung mga reading lights. Yan, hindi ko lang mahanap agad yung switch. Oh, okay, yan, nakita din. Yan, okay. So again, that's the infotainment, the drive mode selector. Ito yung upuan, napakaganda ng design. Even if it's just fabric, napakaganda. So hindi siguro mainit ito kasi may mga lines yung upuan, yung sa puwet mo. Yan, so maganda. Parang tingin ko nga parang siya, leather siya but it's just fabric. Okay, ang laki ng kaniyang cup holder, malalim, so walang problema, hindi titilapon yung iyong mga drinks. Yan. May lagayan din sa door side, may mga lagayan ng cups. Yan, okay. And then yan yung so yung sa likod, back seats. Okay, may cup holder din nakatago. Yeah, the usual cup holder sa gitna, which you can just hide muna kung kailangan mong upuan sa gitna. And then yung center console sa likod, may aircon vents control, i-adjust ng pasahero. So gusto nilang medyo hinaan or palakasan ng aircon, no problem. Makokontrol nila, ma-adjust nila sa likod. Let's now go to the engine. 1.5 liter 4-cylinder 16 valve. Ang kanyang power 105 horsepower at 6,000 RPM, 138 Newton meter ang torque. Gasoline ito. Okay, so this is the lowest variant. Yung top of the line naman na electric, It's 1.5 yung kanyang makina paired with an electric motor. So, ang combined power niya is 118 horsepower. Kaya lang hindi ko maintindihan, bumaba yung torque, naging 121 na lang Newton meter. I-check natin if this is for the electric motor only, yung 121 Newton meter. Pricing tayo, yung lowest variant, it's 1.2 million. Yung sunod na V is 1.3. Okay, yung top of the line is 1.6 million. Okay, dito tayo sa specs. So, may ADAS ito for the upper trims. Okay, Advanced Driver Assist or Assistance System. 17-inch ang alloy wheels for the lower trims and 18-inch ang alloy wheels for the upper trims. Kasing laki na ng Fortuner. 360 degrees ang panoramic camera. Kitang-kita lahat. All around. Powered yung driver seat adjustment for the upper trim, yung hybrid, and then yung V. And powered naman yung tailgate also for the upper trims. Yan. So, yung dinidemo natin, as I mentioned earlier, manual lamang yung kanyang tailgate. May handle naman. So, hindi rin tayo mahihirapan. And then, ano rin to? Push start na rin at keyless entry. So, napakaganda. Fuel economy, grabe ito, 20 kilometers per liter for the CVT. Okay, yung combustion engine lang, internal combustion engine. And then 26 kilometers per liter for the hybrid. Grabe. Ang ganda ng kaniyang performance, kilometer per liter. Yan. Okay, carbon emission daw. Pollution ito. Lahat naman ng kotse bumubuga ng pollution. But this one is grabe yung reduction. 79 grams per kilometer na lang ang hybrid at 95 grams per kilometer yung hindi hybrid, yung lower trim. For your information, ang average sa carbon emission, ng carbon dioxide emission ng mga non-hybrid SUVs is 200 grams per kilometer. So, malaki talaga yung nabawas. Okay. So, now, why I am recommending Toyota Yaris? Number one, very good ang kaniyang performance in terms of kilometer per liter. Okay. Pero mo yung lower trim is 20 kilometers per liter and then yung top of the line hybrid is 26 kilometers per liter. Low ang kanyang carbon emission. Mataas yung kanyang ground clearance, 212. So, pwede siya sa off-roading, 212 millimeter. And of course, napakalaki ng wheels, bigger wheels than other crossover in its class, in its category. Spacious and comfortable kasi ang ginagamit nila is yung DNGA platforms and baka itanong kung ano itong DNGA. It's a design na wherein yung mga engineers will be able to widen yung space sa loob ng body to make it comfortable for the passengers. And last but not the least, it has one of the slickiest, napaka-modern crossover designs in the car market today. So in terms of value for money, this all-new Yaris 2023 is number one for me. If I were you, my friends, please go check the nearest Toyota dealership now. As in now. Diba? Of course, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yun lang po ang request natin para may pagpatuloy natin yung ating ginagawang sharing of information. Okay, thanks for watching.